papanood? Saan ka? Where were you before? I mean, saan ka na papanood? Anong management ka ngayon? Wow! Ano?
Nagsimula po ako sa indie. Indie, pelikula, indie, commercials, kung saan-saan.
Parang
Ito
dyan,
kahit
diba?
saan ko man. Kaya po, sa indie ko nagsimula, tapos I started acting when I was 7 years old, theater arts.
Ilang taon ka ngayon?
20 po. Yeah. So sa iba't ibang paraan ng pag-arte, pagpapatawa, mime, pantok, iba-iba. Kaya basta performing and acting. Yun talaga. Yun na naman. Yun lang po.
Sige, mamaya wala ka kita. Sam, medyo remind me of mga beauty queen during the 90s. Sabi ko nga, di ba, kwento ko na sa'yo, yung beauty mo, pang yung parang remember the Barretos, na gano'n. Sige po, before Gordy. Pasagutin natin si Sam. Kakaiba yung beauty mo. And saan ka nagsimula, Sam, and saan management ka?
I'm actually the same management who was JM sa
Cornerstone Entertainment.
Yes po. So I actually started din sa commercials and a few films like Mona's Finest and stuff like that. Minor support or cameo roles din po. But mostly commercials po talaga ako. Like setback, mga ganun po na commercials. And then later on po kasi, I really wanted to get into acting. So I got
talaga?
yes po. So I really wanted to get into acting. So I started off with production work. Actually, with Project 8 before. I interned din po nung college pa ako. First year college pa lang po ako. And then they were guiding me. Sila direct namin, sila direct po ang naging mentors ko sa
Ano silang you have it? The acting.
yes, kumbaga they said na, I always told them na I want to get to know what goes on behind the camera before getting in film. Kasi syempre, iba po yung respeto na mabubuhan mo for the cast, the crew, and everybody else. But they said that, you know, if acting is your path, then go ahead. So I started getting into acting workshops also. But not as early on as JM, I started when I was in college course.
So nakagraduate ka ng college and then
Yes.
may degree ka.
Yes.
That explains how eloquent she is. Ano? She galing magsalita.
Baby ko.
When I first saw her sa Batang Quiapo, probinsya, Batang Quiapo, gandang-ganda na talaga ako sa kanya. Sabi ko nga, saan mo bigyan ko ng maraming grace? Ang husay eh. And now you're here, finally. First movie mo? Hindi naman.
No naman po. I guess second.
Kilabot ng mga conyo boys. Ito, ang lakas ito sa mga aktivista nila sa alcohol. Si Yuki. Oh, Jacket, paano nga Yuki nagsimula? Sorry.
Nag-start po ako sa TikTok. So I was just doing content, social media, and then
Ang konti-konti na followers sa TikTok. Ilan nga, Yuki? Ilan nga?
as of now, I have 10.7.
10.7 million followers sa ang content, di ba? Go ahead, Yuki.
Ever since naman po bata ako, I really wanted to do acting. But I feel like during that time, I wasn't able to push na makapag-acting ako. And then, blessing in disguise ang pandemic for me. So, pandemic happened and then I started acting.
That's the time na kinuha ka ng Batang Quiapo.
Yes.
Nanganak ka ba doon? Charot.
Hindi nga po, di ba?
Never, kinamatayan mo na lang yung character mo. Yun yung ano niya, sikat na sikat siya doon eh. Di ba? Kaya sinatawa silang tawa. Everyone has seen it. And now you're back to doing movies, hopefully TV soon. Okay. Pinatay siya ni David sa sarili niyang asawa. Okay, at this point, I'm ready to take questions from Gorgie Rula. Hi, Gorg! You're on.
Pero makapigilan ako.
Ay, hindi na spinahan mo si Miss Rosel. Hindi mo. Mabuti niya yung...
just think muna, baka meron dadagdag din siya. Sa May 6 na yung showing ng film. But, of course, nandun pa rin yung fear natin what's happening right now, diba? Sa mga nangyayari. Ano ang gagawin nyo kung sakali na? Kasi iba na yung concern ng mga tao karamihan. But, tayo magpupromote tayo ng pelikula. And, syempre, sabi ng iba, babiyahe pa ba kami? Gagastos pa ba kami ng gasolina para pumunta sa sinihan? Abangan na lang namin sa Netflix o sa streaming. ano yung nararamdaman niyo this time sa panahon ngayon? At meron tayong promote ng movie. At baka meron din pwede nadagdag si Ma'am Rosel. Yes, Steve?
Yeah, actually, obviously, there's a lot of things going on in the world, a lot of things out of our control. And the idea came up na, I forgot who suggested it, baka do you push the play date or whatever, but for us, like, we wanted to keep everything the same. Give people, kasi na-announce na namin, so we wanted to at least deliver for the people that are still looking forward to it. Para there's something like they can look forward to na alam nila kung kahit movie, if you're interested, but no matter what, lalabas pa rin siya ng slates. At the same time, there's things like increasing cost, taas ng gas, that makes it harder for people to go to the theaters. So, ever since the beginning, myself, my mom, and others have been in constant conversation with the theaters, with the cinema exhibitors, trying to find ways to make it more affordable. So, without that, we'll have more affordable pricing for our cinemas.
So, yung price, yung ticket price nila.
Yeah. So we'll announce more of that soon, like SM, and yeah, we're working with a lot of other theaters. So hopefully we can make it more affordable and again, give people a little bit of escape during these times and give them something to look forward to.
Yay! Ang ganda, good news yan. So, Kitty Suzanne, would you like to add to that?
Well, of course, we worry about what's gonna happen. Who's not, diba? So, but then, yeah, we're committed. We're committed na talaga. We've planned and committed and actually patapos na rin yung pangalawang pelikula. So, we're hoping na, as what Keith said talaga, na to lower the ticket price, to really adjust to the crisis that is happening right now. Para naman, in a way na mapasaya na rin natin yung tao. There's a way for them na, even for a little time to feel something that is away from, to escape from what's happening. Kasi even me, I'm really affected with what's
I can
happening.
tell from your post. I get affected. Kasi kasi Mr. is emotional about a lot
Oo.
of things, no?
Jason na lang.
Go ahead.
Honestly, EJ, like if we were to push it, like, it'll make the problem worse kasi mawala ng trabaho yung mga tao. So like we really want to make sure
Na may
we
employee.
stay consistent and yeah.
Oo. Tanong ko na rin kay Lasso lang, kay Yuki at saka kay Dustin. Kasi natanong na rin si JM at saka si Fiang about dun sa kung nakaka-relate din sila siguro sa title na Almost Us. So, Yuki, pagdating ba sa personal mo, sa love life mo, Almost Us pa rin ba kayo or done na?
Are you comfortable answering the question, Yuki?
Ang pwede mo lang
Kung ano
pin-share
lang
sa
pwede mo
amin.
share.
Go, Dustin. Take the floor.
Okay.
Hindi, si JM muna. Charot lang. Joke.
Ikaw muna ba?
Wala ubo.
Hindi na bro.
Talaga sa pinupukulan.
Oo.
Kung ano lang, tas.
Ano lang pwede mo share?
Sabi ko lang na nakaka-relate silang dalawa.
Tama ka.
Oo.
Yes.
Nakaka-relate yung movie.
So,
Nakaka-relate sa own.
So, Dustin, kahit spotted na kayo kung saan, Almost Us pa rin ba or ano? Habang isilang aking...
Oo, sino ba? Charot lang. Is she part of the movie? Charot. Joke.
A6 almost.
Okay. How about you, Yuki? Ano ba pwede mo share?
Ayan po, showing po ang Almost Us, May 6. Abangan na lang po.
Ay, nako. Sige, thank you.
Words kasi ganito. In as much
Susugat na ba ako? Bahala na, bahala na. Ano yun?
Nanay ba talaga?